You've probably heard about the Whole30 by now. You've heard of someone who's done it or had great success with the program, or you've seen it on your local news channel or national media. You can think of the Whole30 like pushing the reset button with your health, your habits, and your relationship with food. So for 30 days, you'll pull out foods that the scientific literature and our clinical experience have shown to be really commonly problematic to varying degrees across a broad range of people. You're gonna pull that stuff out of your diet and see what changes. Energy, sleep, mood, attention span, skin, cravings, aches and pains, any number of medical symptoms. What happens when you pull these potentially problematic foods out of your diet for a whole month? At the end of the 30 days, you'll reintroduce those foods very carefully and systematically, one at a time, like a scientific experiment, and you'll see what changes. This information lets you create the perfect diet for you long term, because there is no one size fits all. Meal planning, at least like 3 or 4 days at a time, will save you time in the grocery store. It will save you money, and it's gonna save you stress of coming home after a really long day and saying, okay, what's for dinner? When I started the Whole30 in 2009, it was basically like walking uphill both ways in the snow. You had to make your own mayo, you had to find your own recipes or create your own recipes, you had to create your own shopping list. Now we have Whole30 approved salad dressings and mayonnaise and emergency protein sticks and marinades and curry sauces and almond sauces. Use those as often as you can. Even if you're doing the Whole30 on a budget, buy a couple of these convenience things and just put them in your pantry for a rainy day. If you're roasting vegetables in the oven, your oven should always be full. Roast 2 trays, mixed vegetables, cut them all about the same size, throw them in some ghee or some olive oil or some avocado oil, and roast them. So you've got veggies for your meal and you've got stuff left over. Hard boil a dozen eggs, make a protein salad with your Safe Catch tuna and Primal Kitchen mayo. If you spend an hour every couple days, you'll have enough meals to last you for the rest of the week. We have so many people who want to know where their food comes from. They want to buy responsibly sourced animal protein. They want to buy grass-fed. They want to buy pastured, but it's just not available at their local grocery store. And so to be able to come to Thrive Market and have all of those things under one umbrella, have all of those things come right to your house where you know the sourcing is impeccable, you know the quality is fantastic, it's a healthy choice for you and your family, and it's cost effective, you just can't beat that. So if you are new to the Whole30, or you're doing another Whole30 and you come to Thrive Market, it's basically one-stop shopping. It's gonna come right to your house. It's everything you need to kind of lay the foundation for your Whole30. There's no one other place I can go that has such an enormous variety related to the way I eat and the way I live. And I know if it's on Thrive, that it's gonna be good for me and good for my family.